Are you tired of a dirty screen in your BMW? Well, with our new screen cleaner, Wait a minute. This sounds like an infomercial. Let's get into character. Hi, it's Dylan with BeamerTech. You tired of dirty screens in your BMW? Yeah, me too. Check this out. With BeamerTech's new screen cleaner, it's a simple spray on, spray off. It's like a cleaner, it's like a microfiber towel, it's like both. Because it is. A regular cleaner doesn't wipe your screen. This one does it all. Stick it in the glove box, console, storage area, trunk. BeamerTech screen cleaner will clean up any fingerprints or grease. Look at this, it just does the work. Why do you want to work twice as hard? Put it in a plastic sleeve, you're done. Developed in Poland, you know the Polish always make good pierogies. You can use this on your iDrive screen, your gauge cluster. Olympic divers, they could even use it on their cars. Here's some grease, fingerprints, forehead grease, whatever else is on my hands. Leave this on your screen and it's gonna make it harder to see, less responsive, and it can even get damaged if you leave it out in the sun. We're gonna do this in real time. You follow me, camera guy? Give it a spray and it wipes away.
I love this. I'm being paid to say it.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Makes everything clean.
No. You can get this on our website, but if you call now, within the next 20 minutes, because you know we can't do this all day, you talk to one of our salespeople. Here's how to order.
Order your BeamerTech screen cleaner today. Go to www.beamer-tech.net or call our sales team.